get off the exit ramp here for Acworth. Go over here to this grocery warehouse. And put 165 miles on the truck right now. This place is right behind the Cabela's outlet or store over here. Gotta go off, get up here to the top of the ramp and then make a left. And it's a 2-lane turn up here, so we gotta be on the outside lane to make the turn. This for trailer swing and being able to keep from hitting other vehicles. There's no way that if I was in the left lane to be able to make the turn without having to use up both lanes. So always go in the outside lane when you come up to a turn. If it's 2 lanes, always go to the outside lane for the turn. So right now we're going to make a left-hand turn, so I need to be in the right-hand lane of the 2-lane. But if I was going to make to the right-hand turn over here, I would have to be in the left-hand lane. So there's 2-lane turn over here too. So you don't want to be against the curb on either side because it makes it hard to make the turn. Definitely if it's a 2-lane, because there's nowhere to turn. But this one here wouldn't be too ungodly bad because they do have a big area that's painted that could take and drive into. Plus the stop blocks or the stop lines for the cars are way back, so this one over here wouldn't be that bad. You see all the yellow paint right there, but it's always best to be in the far lane. We're going down here to not the first light, but the second light, I think it is, and then make a right-hand turn, and then go over there by Cabela's, or go in front of Cabela's. But there's a better stop. I like how this light turns as fast as it did. Fun stuff. Trying to get up to speed, and then all of a sudden the light turns. But a lot of guys will try to turn right up here on the other side of this Cherokee Valley or Village sign. There's a little drive right there that'll take you over by Cabela's, but you can't make that turn. They keep running over the curb and busting up the concrete and everything, so it's not wise. The concrete's all busted up here too at this other side, but you can see right there where trucks have made turns and broke up the concrete and stuff to make that turn right there to go back in there. But even here at this light, it's all messed up too. So you gotta go out wide, get over here next to this curb. You see how the concrete's all messed up right there where trucks have ran over it. Kind of go out as soon as you possibly can, like I am here, to keep from curbing the tires. And then come back in, use up the paint if you need to. Use up all the room you possibly can. And then we'll just cruise around here. I remember I came down here to this place that I'm going to the day that they had the grand opening for this Cabela's. You could have thought it was the most important thing in the whole wide world was coming here to Cabela's. Man, there was cars parked on the shoulder. They were back here, and that with all the dirt and stuff, they moved back here since I made the turn. They were parked up on top of hills. They were all the way down here to where these warehouses are down through here. It was crazy. So, and now it's calmed down tremendously, but it was pretty intense there when they first opened this place. Man, they were, like I said, they were parked all the way down here up in the grass. They were parked down here in the warehouses, everything. So I gotta go down here where this JB Hunt truck is coming out at and make the left-hand turn, go in here, and then go check in. But they got a kind of weird setup here for check-in. I'm gonna stay over here so I can swing out wide. There's a little median that goes through here, so it just gets my trailer over. You can see the median right here with the trees, so I don't have to have to worry about running over that curb for being in that turn lane. But I gotta go to this building off to the left, but I gotta go to the right first. What's this guy doing parking here? Jeepers, dude. man, this could. Well, dude, you can wait a minute now, buddy. Damn it, boy! The f was that? I just blew something out. Turned around out here. I think I just blew a tire on the truck. Man, that was loud. I guess what I just did. Something just blew up. I know. Well, let's get out and look at it. Let me go up here and check.